columns. Well, we did replace one problem that this house has had for a long time, the wrought iron column. It was so rusty and flaky, it really gave you a kind of a bad feeling when you walked up to the front door. Well, we replaced it with a very low maintenance fiberglass column. Now, one of the nice things about fiberglass, you don't have to paint it, but you can if you want to change it, change the color of it, and it's strong enough to support a load that we have, and most columns will have some type of load on it. Good way to go here. Now, it was very easy to install after we got rid of the old rusty wrought iron column. Greg put in a temporary brace to support the porch roof while he removed the old column. The quick answer to getting the iron column out was cutting it in two with a reciprocating saw because of the way it was wedged in. Once it was apart, the column came right out. Greg measured the height for the new column, then marked it to be cut. Square cuts were important because the column was too thick to cut in just one pass. The new column went into place with the top and bottom pieces already slipped over it. When it was properly aligned, the temporary brace came out and the trim pieces were secured. The fiberglass column definitely looks better than the old wrought iron.